G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Who doesn't love ice cream as a dessert? There are so many different flavours and I'm going to make a super special, super easy one that I know that you'll love. So join me today to make my version of a no churn coconut ice cream. Okay, so with two simple ingredients, you honestly cannot go wrong with this recipe. So our first ingredient, which is going to act as our fluffy base, I'm going to use 2 cups worth of thickened cream or double cream. And honestly, at this point, it's just a simple matter of whisking it up until we get to a soft peak stage. Okay, so we've now reached our soft peak stage. So soft peak is where you lift it up and you just get those little peaks forming as so. And now for our second and final ingredient, I'm going to use some sweetened condensed coconut milk. Now you can also use cream of coconut milk. Now don't get that mixed up with coconut cream. The cream of coconut milk version is a lot sweeter and perfect for this recipe. So just pour in our coconut condensed milk or cream of coconut. So by using this, you don't have to add any sugar or any other ingredients whatsoever. So it's a true 2-ingredient recipe. And just simply mix it through until it's well combined and it's nice and fluffy. Okay, once it's mixed through, it's done. It is that simple. So all you'd have to do now is with a sealable container, just carefully place that mixture in. Try not to mix it or anything because you want to keep those air bubbles in the mixture. And we're going to place this into the freezer for a good 4 hours, just to give it a chance to completely set. Now our coconut ice cream has been sitting in the fridge for just over 4 hours now, and it's ready to serve. Now as a tip, I've taken it out of the freezer and I've let it sit at room temperature for 10 minutes. That'll just help it soften up just a little bit, just so it's easy to grab your ice cream scoop and scoop up a lovely scoop of our ice cream. And look at that, still nice and airy inside. Now just look at how deliciously creamy that coconut ice cream has turned out. Now who would have thought just a simple 2 ingredients would turn out to be something fantastic. Now this is definitely the easiest ice cream recipe I've ever made, and in moderation it is a perfect treat to have now and then. It is so light, so fluffy, so creamy. Just look at that. It's absolutely delicious. So you can add some delicious caramel or chocolate topping on this, but whether you choose to use topping or not, either way, it's going to taste simply delish.